St. Patrick's Day is a global celebration of Irish culture and heritage. It is a day when people from all walks of life come together to honour the legacy of St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland. The festivities are marked by a sea of green, symbolising the lush landscapes of Ireland and the shamrock, which St. Patrick used to explain the Holy Trinity. Every year on March 17th, the world turns a vibrant shade of green. Cities around the globe light up their landmarks in green, from the Sydney Opera House to the Chicago River, which is famously dyed green for the occasion. From Dublin to New York, people come together to enjoy parades, music, and good cheer. These parades are a spectacle of floats, marching bands and dancers, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Ireland. But beyond the festivities lies a rich history and traditions that have made St. Patrick's Day a beloved holiday worldwide. Historical reenactments and storytelling sessions bring to life the tales of St. Patrick and the ancient customs of Ireland. St. Patrick's Day is more than just a party. It is a time for reflection and religious observance, with many attending church services to honour St. Patrick. Families gather to share traditional Irish meals such as corned beef and cabbage, and to enjoy each other's company. It's a time to remember the patron saint of Ireland and celebrate Irish culture. St. Patrick's Cathedral in Dublin becomes a focal point for many, drawing visitors and worshippers alike. Throughout history, Irish communities around the world have kept this tradition alive. Traditional Irish dancing and music performances are a testament to the enduring spirit of the Irish people. It has evolved into a celebration of Irish pride and heritage. Today, St. Patrick's Day is a joyous occasion that brings people together, regardless of their background, to celebrate the rich and vibrant culture of Ireland. St. Patrick wasn't actually Irish. He was born in Roman Britain around 400 AD. As a teenager, he was captured by Irish raiders and taken to Ireland as a slave. Patrick escaped after 6 years and returned to his homeland. He later became a priest and returned to Ireland as a missionary. He converted many Irish people to Christianity. His teachings and influence helped shape the future of Ireland. St. Patrick's Day was initially a religious holiday in Ireland. It marked the anniversary of St. Patrick's death and was a day for prayer and reflection. Over time, it evolved into a larger cultural celebration. Irish immigrants brought St. Patrick's Day traditions to America in the 18th century. The first St. Patrick's Day parade in the United States was held in New York City in 1762. Today, the New York City St. Patrick's Day parade is the largest in the world, with millions of spectators. Section 4. Shamrocks and Shenanigans, Symbols of St. Patrick's Day. The shamrock is one of the most recognizable symbols of St. Patrick's Day. This small three-leafed plant is not just a festive decoration, but holds deep historical and cultural significance. Legend has it that St. Patrick used the three-leafed clover to explain the Holy Trinity to the Irish people. Each leaf represented the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, making it a powerful symbol of faith and unity. Another iconic symbol is the leprechaun, a mischievous fairy from Irish folklore. These tiny bearded men are often depicted wearing green coats and hats, adding a touch of whimsy to the celebrations. Leprechauns are said to be small bearded men who love to play pranks. They are known for their trickery and are often featured in stories where they outsmart humans. They are often associated with good luck and are said to have hidden pots of gold at the end of rainbows. This legend adds an element of mystery and adventure to the holiday. The colour green is synonymous with St. Patrick's Day. From clothing to decorations, green is everywhere during the celebrations. Green represents Ireland's lush landscapes and the shamrock. It is a colour that symbolises growth, renewal, and the natural beauty of the Emerald Isle. It has become a symbol of Irish pride and heritage. Celebrating St. Patrick's Day with these symbols helps people connect with their Irish roots and share in the joy of this vibrant culture. Section 5. Erin go Bragh, from Dublin to New York and beyond. In Ireland, St. Patrick's Day is a national holiday. It's a day when the entire country comes alive with vibrant colours, music and joy. Streets are filled with people wearing green and shamrocks are seen everywhere. The air is filled with the sound of laughter and traditional Irish tunes. It's a time for families and friends to get together and enjoy traditional music, food and dance. Homes are filled with the aroma of corned beef and cabbage, and children eagerly participate in Irish dance performances. The sense of community and togetherness is palpable. Dublin, the capital of Ireland, hosts a multi-day festival with parades, concerts and street performances. The city becomes a hub of activity, with tourists and locals alike joining in the festivities. The parades are a spectacular display of Irish culture and heritage. Across the Atlantic, New York City's St. Patrick's Day Parade is a sight to behold. It's one of the largest and oldest parades in the world, drawing participants and spectators from all over. The city is painted green, and the energy is electric. It's a grand procession of marching bands, bagpipes and colourful floats. The sound of bagpipes fills the air, and the streets are lined with people cheering and waving Irish flags. The floats are a visual treat, showcasing the creativity and spirit of the participants. The parade route runs up Fifth Avenue, attracting millions of spectators. People of all ages come together to celebrate, creating a sense of unity and pride. The aerial view of the parade is breathtaking, with a sea of green stretching as far as the eye can see. From Boston to Buenos Aires, cities with large Irish communities have their own unique ways of celebrating. Each city adds its own flavour to the festivities, reflecting the diverse ways in which Irish culture has been embraced around the world. The global celebration of St. Patrick's Day is a testament to the enduring legacy of Irish heritage. Section 6. Beyond the Green Beer. Interesting facts about St. Patrick's Day. Believe it or not, the original colour associated with St. Patrick was blue, not green. The colour green became popular later on, likely due to the Shamrock and Ireland's nickname, the Emerald Isle. Another fun fact is that St. Patrick's Day wasn't always a big drinking holiday. This tradition became popular in the 18th century, when the holiday coincided with Lent and people were allowed a break from their fasting. Today, St. Patrick's Day is celebrated worldwide as a day to enjoy Irish culture, music and, of course, a pint of Guinness.